3.
Welcome my blind bag.
And today, what do we have, Dean?
Shopkins.
We found the Shopkins. It's called Shopkins Join the Party Season 7 Mega Pack. So it has 20 Shopkins and 4 gift boxes.
Look, Mommy.
And it has this all new Shopkins to stack. I know Shopkins Season 7, they're already starting to come out Shopkins 8, Dean. I don't know when it's coming out, but I saw it. So today, me and Dean want to get the limited edition Hollywood. That's what we're really hoping to get.
I don't want that one.
Oh, you don't? Oh, but Dean wants a different one. I thought he wanted that. What do you want then?
I just wanted this one.
Oh, you just want one of those? Okay, well, let's open the box
I wanted
first.
the purple.
We're going to see what's in the box.
I wanted the blue one.
Okay.
I really think it's funny.
Alright, so this is... Oh! That's interesting. Alright, so here's our list, our little checklist.
Wow.
So we can check off our Shopkins.
They came with stuff.
And then on the end is the ones you could have seen. Hold on a second, let's take this out. So,
Mommy.
yes.
Look. This doesn't.
Does that mean there's no mystery ones? Wait, can I see this, please?
Mommy, this one doesn't. It doesn't have a mouth.
I see it. Hold on 1 second. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
I got the boxes.
I think there's 2 mystery ones.
Look, Mommy.
So let's pull out these.
I'm pulling out these ones.
Okay, is there anyone in there?
No.
Oh. I'm going to try to get all out of their package. Oh, yeah, I know. Show the camera. Don't show me.
Hey.
That's the boxes, right? Oh, yeah, there's no Shopkins in it. I think the Shopkins that are with it are the Shopkins that go in it. That's my guess.
Huh? Not this one either.
Maybe the ones that are with it. Can you get the 2 out?
Dun, dun. Hey.
I'm trying to get them all out of the package.
Hey, Mommy.
We can show
These
everybody.
must go inside them.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I said.
These must go inside.
Alright. Come on.
We must have forgot. Come on, Mommy.
Can you get those out?
No.
Sorry for the noise. This makes so much noise, dude.
No, it's making so much noise too.
Oh, these have mysteries. So there's 2 of them in the box that have mysteries. We'll open the mysteries in 1 second.
These ones don't.
Those do not. Those put those aside. Put them on the side.
Hey, Mommy.
We're going to try to find out who's who. The first one looks like a little shoe, but like a raspberry or a blueberry shoe.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe he's a slipper.
Mommy.
That's it. Fluffy slipper.
What's this?
Fluffy slipper.
What's this thing?
I don't know. We have to look it up.
Hey, these must be balloons.
Are they balloons? So maybe they're part of surprise party. Yep, that's a lot of balloons. Let's show the camera.
Balloony.
A lot of balloons.
Hey, I
Put
want
that there. Dean, leave it there while we look at the other ones, okay? What's the next one we can look at? This one looks like, I don't know, popcorn or something.
Okay, no, what? What's this?
Oh, Popcorn King. I was right. Popcorn King, which I think is rare. Popcorn King. What else did you find? What's that?
That, why?
Well, it looks like a wedding dress. Is there a wedding dress? Yep. Wedding party. This is a little wedding dress. It's all sparkly. That's cute.
Oops, dropped it.
Which is an ultra rare. She's an ultra rare.
Dropped it.
That's cool. Did you get it? Let me see this one. What is this?
Cake.
I don't
And a cake.
know what this is. Oh, Maddie Mask. This is from the fancy dress party. That's cool.
Cake away.
Oh, Dean found some cake. I mean, it's a wedding cake? No.
Cakey.
I'm looking.
Cake. Okay, turn your way.
Dean, hold on a second. I gotta look it up.
Cake away.
Oh, this is Queenie Cake. Queenie Cake. Very cute.
Mommy, look. You got some more.
Who's next?
Cake away.
More cake? This
Mom.
is... Oh my goodness. Becky birthday cake. She's one of the ones that you stack to complete a big one. She's the middle one. Oops,
Mommy.
that's cool.
Cake away.
Another cake? This is Bree birthday cake. She's the bottom of one of the Topkins.
Cupcake away.
Hold on a second, Dean, okay?
Oh, cake away.
I gotta check the list. Wait, what's that one? A cupcake?
Cupcake away.
Hold on, can I see it? Cupcake. Cupcake, cupcake, cupcake. Where's the cup? Oh, this is Sour Fairy Cake. I kind of like her. She's cute.
I know Shopkins. I'm gonna pop them all out.
Sour Fairy Cake. Oh, this one looks like it's like a special one. Looks like sunglasses. This is Charlotte Shades.
Cake away.
Hold on a second, Dee.
Oh, cake.
Okay. That's Charlotte Shades. What's next?
Cake away.
Okay, you need to... You have to calm down. You're getting way too excited.
Hey, this is not cake right here.
Well, hold on a second. I'm looking up this cake first. I can only look up one cake at a time. This is one of these. This is Dan Pancake. He's part of PJ Party.
PJ, what?
The PJ Party set. Right there. Okay, what's the next one?
Which
I'll
one?
take this one next.
That's the right one.
This looks like Snoozy Sleeping Bag. He's part of the PJ Party as well. Oh, this looks like a bowl of something. This is Candy Bowl.
Let's see, did I have one?
That's cute.
Don't
Candy Bowl.
take it
Hold
away!
on a second. Okay. We've got another cake. There's a lot of cake in this pack.
Yeah, but not so much.
Not so much?
Hey, Mommy,
I don't know about that.
this doesn't
Hold on a
look...
second. Mommy's trying to find a piece of cake.
Is this a cake? Is this a cake?
Yeah, oh, this is Gracie birthday cake. Very cute. Alright, what's next?
Pineapple!
Who would have thought this would take so long? It's a punch bowl.
3 more!
This is Mallory Watermelon Punch. Alright, come on.
Who's next? Boing!
Okay, let's not throw them because then we'll lose them.
Oh, sorry.
You don't want to lose them, do you?
No.
This looks like a butterfly. I'm going to say this is Winola Wings. She's part of the fancy dress party. Cute. Who's next?
Yeah.
Is that a milkshake?
Boing, boing. No, he has berries on him.
I bet you he's a milkshake.
The last one.
Hold on.
Who wants it?
Bean, hold on a second.
Nope.
Can't find this guy. Where is he? This is Milky Shake. Or Millie Shake. Millie Shake. She's cute. Oh,
The last one. Who wants it?
let me see it. No, there's 2 in the box, right?
Not these ones.
I think there's 2 that we did not open yet. That
Not
came
these.
2 blind bag
Got
ones.
them.
This looks like, I don't know, this is crystals. I'm not really sure. I'm going to say this is Maybe Alice Fruit Salad? I could be wrong about this, but I think this is Alice Fruit Salad.
Who wants them?
Okay, now let's open our last two.
Hold this box when I open another one.
I'm going to rip it open. Dean's going to see what it is.
You get this one. Hey, what?
What is it?
This doesn't have a picture on the bottom.
Oh, it's like sparkly. I'm going to pull out the next one. Oh, a dress. That's cute.
This isn't a dress.
This is Diana dress. She's cute.
I got something.
And then the last one Dean got is, let me see.
Boing.
What is this? It almost, maybe it's for a wedding. It looks like flowers. Yep, this is Betty Bouquet. Very
Mommy.
cute. Oh, yeah, that's trash. Okay, so that's all the 20 Shopkins we got today out of that box. Which I think's pretty cool, don't you think? Get 20 all at once instead of the 2.
Yeah.
Which one do you like the most? I can't see it. Can you hold it down so I can see it?
Okay.
The balloons?
Yeah. Wow.
Dean likes the balloons. I think I like...
Wow.
There's so many cute ones. This one right here, which I don't remember his name. I think I like the colors of him. Alright, that's all we have today, right?
Yep.
Make sure to give Dean a big thumbs up. And like and subscribe to him for more fun videos. And we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.